Hi guys, Älbert-san here. I have some pretty good news for you. I'm doing a review because I found something awesome in Amazon. I was just wandering around, lost in Amazon for 3 hours. And then I found something really awesome. And I want to show it to you guys because I love you so much. So, here you go. It's in this beautiful case. And let's have a closer look on it. So just a moment, I'm gonna put you up here, then here, and there you go. So there you go. We have this beautiful case of Jobon. It's a smoking set. I don't know why it's called a smoking set, but let's find out. So it's a lighter. We have here some stuff, Chinese stuff. We have here the warranty card, as you can see, in Chinese. So maybe it says here the warranty is like for 1 day and goes out, but we never know. So, and then we have instruction manual in Chinese and English. But this is crappy English. You will never understand. You will understand what they want, but it's crappy English. You can read it. Oh, like this. Look. It can be recharged to the charge, which output voltage is DC 5 volt. Output current is 1 ampere, such as computer or mobile. What the fuck is mobile? It's mobile, not mobile. Yeah, you know what I mean. So you can read it, understand it probably, but let's go on. We have a nice looking case. This is like what do you call this? Like for some fancy perfume or eau de toilette, or you know what I mean. Then let's look on the lighter itself. Ooh, this is fancy. Here's the button to activate it, I think. And if you flip it, there you go. You see the X. That's awesome. And then we have a brush. I don't know for what this is, but it's a brush. Maybe for cleaning the arcs, I don't know. And then we have in this box the USB cable to charge it. Very nice. So first, let's test if it's working. Let me get a piece of paper here, and then put it through the arc, and there you go. It's working. It's working out. Oh my god. So it's working, and yeah, it's pretty awesome. It's pretty glossy. It looks elegant. One thing I want to try is an instruction manual. You gotta flip it open, press it, then get the lighter inside, and yeah. Then there's the variant number 2. But yeah, how do you know if it's empty? Maybe the arc won't work. I don't know. They didn't put an LED on it. That's pretty sad. Now let me try something. I'm going to charge this now. So you put this in your computer hub or USB hub and then charge it. Problem here is you don't know if it's full or not. So there's no LED on the sides, on the bottom. So you don't know when it's fully charged. So just a reminder for you guys, don't leave it unattended. Maybe it explodes. There's still a battery in it. It's lithium, the battery which are in the Samsung Note 7, which also blowed up. So just don't leave it unattended, guys. If you're going to charge it on the computer hub on your computer, the USB hub, I mean, so you always have your eyes on it. Yeah, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You have to charge it, then you can use it. Oh yeah, right, I forgot. So maybe you ask, does this hurt? Is this dangerous for kids? Of course it's dangerous for kids. It can do fire and stuff. But let's try if it hurts. Okay? I'm just doing this for you guys. So I will put my finger in there, my pinky finger, between the arc, and I will tell you how much it hurts. Let's try this. Oh my god, Jesus Christ. Oh Jesus. Fuck. Okay. I was sorry, I was scared, but it pretty much hurts. It bites. It really bites. This is not to play around with. Oh my god. So, yeah. It hurts. It bites. It doesn't hurt that much, but it's still an electric current that runs through your body. And I think it burns your skin a little, but more than less, it just hurts a little. It's not that is exaggerating, but it's shocking, electricity shocking, pun intended. Anyway, yeah guys, that's everything. So back to me. I hope you like my video. Share, like, subscribe, do what you want. And if you found anything awesome in Amazon, like this one, the arc lighter, I just knew about it like 1 month ago and purchased it. So if you found like anything awesome in Amazon has some creepy awesome stuff and you don't know if you want to buy it, just comment down below which item you want me to review it, and I will try to get my hands on it, and let's see what we will get. So guys, have a nice weekend, and I hope I helped you with this video. Bye guys, bye 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 bye.